Hey everybody, JD here with your Rational Trader Market Analysis Daily. In today's video, the ultimate daily arbitrage trade. We've been talking a lot about the daily arbitrage trade, especially in this market environment where seemingly the market goes up each and every single day. Even when we go down, we're going down by very tiny amounts. It's a classic melt up situation, lots of short covering. It's also a very dangerous market, one where the magic carpet ride could end at any moment. So, my preference in this kind of a market is to really lean on the construct of the daily arbitrage. Without going into the details, there is seven ingredients that I'm analyzing every morning before the market opens to create a factor score that then tells me the expectations for what the market should do that day. I measure that against the futures market and actual trading in the first moments of trading up to an hour into the market trade. And deviations then are exploited. Deviations between actual trading and expectations then create the daily arbitrage. And I much prefer that, the safety in that analysis, targeting a very specific part of the trading day, to me makes a lot more sense than just blindly riding the wave here that could come crashing down at any time. I'm not saying you can't. In fact, heck, it seems like some folks are making a boatload of money in this kind. Kudos to them. That's just not my style. I prefer things that I can exploit that make sense. So that's kind of what I'm doing here with the daily arbitrage. Now, today, the daily arbitrage factor score was +3, implying a market move of 75 basis points. Now, in the pre-market, the small cap sector has been really exploding, and that continued in the pre-market this morning. The Russell 2000 was up some 75 bips right out of the gate. And then you can see here after the open, really just kept climbing higher. At one point, I believe we were up 150 basis points right in this area here, which is when, again, 150 basis points in active trading versus an expectation of 75 bips per the daily arbitrage factor score. So that tells me I'm going to fade this. We execute that arbitrage opportunity with a put debit spread on the IWM using the daily expiration options. And I believe I was looking at a 243, 242 strike price. Let me just confirm that for you. 243, 242 were the strikes used today. And okay, so you can see right after placing that trade, loser, 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 that's going to happen. I'm not like, hey, some magic uh, Wizard of Oz here that can predict the future. Um, I'm just telling you, with the data that I have available and my understanding of market dynamics combined with human behavior, I can really get a good idea of where things are going. Doesn't mean I'm going to be right all the time. In fact, I'm wrong plenty of times. And here in the early going of this trade, I was wrong. But then something magical happened. The selling began, and we started moving right back down to that 75 bips level. And in fact, I believe we got down at 241, 79, 68, it looks like here. Um, we were very close to what expectations were telling me we should be at. So that also is your trigger for exiting a trade, especially then you see this quick reversal here and things started going against us. That's fine. Um, you can wait to make a little bit more money. At this point, we had a more than 50% gain on the trade, and as it was deteriorating, we were able to exit. Got in the trade, by the way, for 39 cents, exited at 59 cents, right around 20 minutes or so after the hour, uh, as we hit the lows and then bounced off of those lows. And I just wanted to lock in the profits. So that's what we did. And again, this is just a small window here that I can exploit. And the melt up continued. Hey, that's great. Uh, I'm not comfortable out here on the extremes. Um, Again, that's just my preference. I want to look at rationality, expectations per my macro scoring, and triangulating a profitable trade off of that based on actual moves that are way beyond what expectations are, if that makes sense. So, um, stay with me here on this, folks, because the daily arbitrage, really exciting stuff here. I'm going to be doing it each and every trading day. Follow me in the Telegram. You can pick up my daily arbitrage factor score. I release that information for now, absolutely uh, uh, free of charge. And I also provide the trade that I'm going to make once I determine where the opportunity is based on the actual market move layered against my expectations. So that's all I have for today, folks. Tomorrow is podcast day. I'll be recording. Actually, I have a wonderful guest sitting in for Louis Navalier. Yvonne Marcheff works with Louis, writes and provides content to Louis Navalier's daily market mail. But he's also an expert in all things Eastern European. So really excited to kind of get his take on things from a global perspective. I'll be recording that tomorrow and then back on Monday with another um, Rational Trader daily market analysis video. Follow me in the Discord or make sure you read the Discord to get all my updates on Two Sigma, daily arbitrage, mean reversion trades, what have you. This is JD for the Rational Trader. Good luck with all of your trading, everybody. Take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you all on Monday.